Say hi. Where's Ethan? Ethan, look, baby. Ethan. He doesn't want to come out of the blanket. It's too early.
Look at that cranky boy. What do you get mad if I open
He might. Good morning. Uncle wants to say good morning.
Oh, okay.
What time is it good to bother you?
when he's
We gotta check with him.
when he's awake. Today's T's birthday. Say happy birthday.
He's not feeling
I'm turning 25 again.
Let's go upstairs. The stairs. Oops. Oh, Ethan's crying. Say hi, Copper. Hi, Copper. Say hi.
Hi!
Good morning.
Good morning, we're going to the know.
We're going to the know. That's what Ethan said. Going to the know.
Go to the know.
Say hi, Copper.
Breakfast ready.
Copper's not coming. Say hi to Charlie Birdie. Say hi, Isa.
He bites. I try to pet him.
Charlie Birdie.
So skinny.
Okay, until we hit the road.
You used to be so
Here's our
fluffy.
babysitter, just in case we like to have an outing.